Welcome back to this week's video. This week we're going to be reviewing the Taco Bell Gelato, limited time item until summer ends. We're also going to be comparing it to a Baja Blast Freezy and a regular Baja Blast, as well as the bottled version, which I have at home. So first off, the gelato was $4 before tax. It's pretty small, and you can only get it online. So if you open it, it has a little spoon right here. So you just pull this out. You just pull this out, and then we have obviously this. We're gonna pick this up. We're gonna give it a taste test. So it's pretty consistent to the regular Baja Blast color. It's very icy. I wouldn't say it's like gelato, or like a Italian ice. Honestly, pretty good. I don't really taste, it doesn't taste too much like Baja Blast. It's a very subtle flavor compared to like the drink, which you could really taste the Baja Blast. So that'll be it for this segment of the video. Alright, so next we're going to compare the other two and rank these three, and then later we'll rank the bottle amongst the two. So obviously, this is the original regular Baja Blast soda. It's carbonated, obviously. Compared to this one tastes way better. This one is honestly not that good. And then the Freezy. The Freezy is actually pretty good. So if I'd have to rank these three alone, I'd go Freezy, regular Baja Blast Gelato. This one doesn't really taste like Baja Blast, honestly. This one is just a little too sody. This one is like the perfect mixture of the two. So that's ranking for these, and then we'll get back to you when we have the bottle. Okay, so now I'm back at home. We're gonna try the bottled version of the Baja Blast. So I believe for about 6 of these, it's $5. For the gelato, like we said, it was about $4. For a small Freezy, it's about $3, and then a regular drink is about $1 something cheaper if you get it with the meal. So we look at this, the color comparison looks like a regular Baja Blast. This is it in the cup. So we'll take a sip of this. So this Baja Blast tastes very similar to the one at the restaurant. Not even a noticeable difference. So I would rank this with that one. So to recap this, the best Baja Blast flavor there's offers the Freezy. After that, I would put the bottle and the drink tied for second, and I'd put the gelato last. It didn't really meet my expectations. It was way smaller than I expected. Wasn't really worth the price compared to how much you're actually getting. It's a tiny little cup for $4 before tax. You can only order it online too. So originally I didn't even think they had it until I went up and asked. It's not really a gelato. Maybe more like a Italian ice. It's not very, it's very icy. The taste is very subtle. You can't really taste it. So honestly, I personally don't think it's worth the $4. So to sum up the video, the Baja Blast gelato was not worth it. I wouldn't even consider it a gelato. The texture was very icy. It wasn't a very gelato-like flavor or texture. You couldn't really taste Baja Blast. So honestly, I think the better option would be to go with the Freezy, which is cheaper by a few cents for about 3-4 times what you're getting for the actual gelato, and it tastes way better. So yeah, as well as when I ordered the gelato, it melted super fast compared to the Freezy. So that was another thing. I wasn't able to get a taste test for the interview because the gelato melted before the person I was supposed to have tasted could try it. So therefore, I'd recommend getting if you want something to cool you down for the summer, the Freezy would be the way to go. So thank you for watching this week's video comparing different Baja Blast variants.